Hello guys, how are you? Hopefully you're all taking precautions and staying home and staying safe if you can. And please, let's always pray for our heroes on the front line, because this monster, is a monster. Corona is a monster. Like, if you're still home and not sick, thanks be to God. If you're sick, just keep praying. And for those that are gone, rest in peace. And to the relatives, God bless your hearts and take heart and still take the precautions and stay safe. Today I'm here for a video showing you guys how I made my mannequin heads. I homemade them. I bought the shirts from Amazon and then I turned them into some scrunchy tops, crop tops, scrunchy, whatever. I don't know the description. So, and first of all guys, I have a hair company called ROMANNE the Goddess. I sell 100% virgin human hair extension bundles. I also make machine made wigs. I use the preorder method unless a few times when there's a ready to ship. So because I want to learn, I want to be creative more. So, and then I also sell mink lashes. Oh god, I almost choked. So today we're just going to hop into this video and show you what you need to use to make these crunchies. They look beautiful. I made them at home. We are home. Oh god, my son is coming and he's shouting to the top of his voice. Sorry guys, I had to pause the video because my son was at it. Okay, he had an attitude. So these are the few things I'm going to be using. The shirts, I don't have, it's just I got 4 shirts from Amazon, and that's how they came out. One with a most crunchy bottom and one which is loose. So there are 2 methods that I use to sew down these shirts, and I'm going to be showing them to you. So you need shirts. You need these papers. They said dark fabric transfer paper for black or dark textiles. You need a measuring tape, and you need a marker just to cut the shirt straight if you can't. And I used the beige color because that's what I heard. It's visible there, but but white would go better with it. But that's what I had, and I had to do it. We're not moving, so that's what I had to do. And the other thing, definitely a sewing machine, the flat iron, and then a printer. I used a normal printer, and that's it. Thank you guys. So let's hop into the video, and hopefully you like and share and comment. Thank you. And once again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and any comments are welcome. Thank you guys. So that's my logo right there on the laptop, and those are the sheets that I got from Amazon. They have 2 sides, one that you peel off. So it has 2 sides, one that you peel off, which has the square lines, and the plain one that you print on your logo. So that's all you got to do. And then I was just showing you the plain side where the logo goes, and we're putting it in the printer. It faces the bottom. Sorry guys. And I just inserted in that clip just to show you that it's not anything like a special printer. I just used a regular printer and got my logos on those sheets that I had to iron onto those shirts in order to get my logo on. And that's it. Thank you. And there I'm just taking measurements just to know where I'll cut from the shirt, like from top to the bottom. I measured 9, but when I was cutting, I measured the length as 10 because I had to fold over that shirt in order to put in the elastic band. So that's all. And I just placed the logo just in between, like the breast, in between the breast side or the mannequin head, and that's all I did. So for method one, remember I told you I had two methods. So method one is when I got the wider scrunchy bottom. So I just had to like go over the elastic band with a shirt at the same time, like sewing them together, but while pulling to apply pressure so that I get that scrunchy effect at the bottom or the top. So you're gonna see me, you're just gonna follow, and that's what I was doing all along for method. So there, that's the logo after cutting it out for the shape that I wanted, the size I wanted to put on the shirt. And then I peeled off the side that had the squares, and then I placed the logo on there, and then the film comes with the papers, the papers that you use to print on the logo. So you use the film to iron on the logo onto the shirt with a flat iron, and that's it. But of the two methods, method one was okay, but it was a bit hard, and I think with method two it came out looking good, and it was easier, looking better, but it was easier to make. So that's method two right there. So the difference between method one and two, for method two, to get a more scrunchier look at the bottom, so I only went over the elastic band at the beginning just to hold it down so that it doesn't pull away, or like just to hold it down so that it's going nowhere. And then the other thing, so instead of going over the elastic band and the shirt at the same time, like running the needle through them together, so what I did here, I put the elastic band and folded the shirt over it, the piece of the shirt over it, but I didn't run the oh god, I can't speak, sorry guys. I didn't run the needle through the elastic band such that at the end I can easily pull it to give me a more scrunchier look, as you'll see. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and follow me on other social media apps, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. Yeah, thank you guys. So that's the finished look for the most crunchy look. And by the way guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget the Thursday on the 24th I'll be dropping a 20% off sale. Thank you.